हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे विल डिस्कस क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन। जी हाँ, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है ये सेक्शन, मैथ्स में आता है। तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई ऑलवेज डिस्कस द इंपॉर्टेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस, सो ऑलवेज बी रेडी विद अ पेन एंड पेपर टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस। सो वंस द क्वेश्चन इज बिंग डिक्टेटेड द ग्राफ विल बी फ्लैश्ड अगेन फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस। ओके, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा। क्वेश्चन डिक्टेट करने के बाद आपको ग्राफ फिर से दिखा दिया जाएगा फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस. So what you have to do is to pause the video and try to solve the question. Okay, so you have to solve the question and the explanation will be provided at the end. So let us go to the question. So you can see the graph, and this indicates the imports of three companies over the years, and it's in crores, remember. So there are three companies ABC and their imports of three companies over the years. So let us go to the question. Question 1 says, in which of the following years the imports made by company A was exactly equal to the average import made by it over the given years? Now as you can see, there are 5 options. Now let me show you the graph, pause the video and try to solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option E, none of this. Now how come none of this? We have provided the explanation at the end, you can see and find out what went wrong actually. Okay, so moving to the next question. What was the percentage increase in imports by company B from 1995 to 1999? Again, let me show you the graph. So the correct answer of this question is option C, 100. I hope you all have got the correct answer. So moving to the next question. Imports by company C in 1997 is how many more than the average imports by all company in same year? I hope you can see the graph. Pause it and try to solve this. So the correct answer of this question is option B, 15. I hope you all have got the correct answer, and the answer is 15. So moving to the fourth question. In which of the following years was the imports made by company A exactly half of the total imports made by company B and C together in that year? The graph is in front of you. So the correct answer of this question is option D, 1995. So moving to the final question, that is the fifth question. In which of the following years was the total imports made by all the three companies together the maximum? So the correct answer of this question is option D, 1998. So I hope you all have got the correct answer. In case you haven't, you can see the explanation, find out what went wrong actually. So moving to the explanation section.